Hello, my name is Andrzej Osuch and I am a trainer of installers with over 20 years of experience in the window and door industry. This job also involves hours of discussions about installations and about difficult installations. One of those rooms, which is considered one of the difficult spaces where difficult installations occur, is undoubtedly the bathroom. So what I want to present to you today is the PORTA Hydro Protect door frame. We are currently installing it, and I can already say that this frame is just as easy to install as the standard PORTA system frame. Actually, it's a bit easier because we have one less step. We don't need to silicone the bottom before installation. Now let me invite you to the room where we have a frame that has been flooded. Look here. We are of course in the restroom. We had some tests with the plumbing installation, and unfortunately this frame was flooded. We've removed one element because we are going to install the Hydro Protect frame here. But take a look at how this frame looks that wasn't water resistant. Pay attention to how much this frame has become damp, how the moisture has risen up to around 10 to 12 centimeters. The entire frame is swollen, the laminate as well. This part is swollen too. This entire corner is swollen this high. Take note of that. This element is now only good for disposal. In its place we will of course install our new PORTA Hydro Protect frame. The PORTA Hydro Protect frame, the only one like it in Poland, designed with difficult rooms in mind, and the bathroom is definitely a difficult room. I recommend it.